In today's fast-paced digital world, efficiency is key to staying ahead. Automating mundane tasks is one way to enhance our productivity significantly. Enter Zapier, a powerful tool designed to simplify our lives by seamlessly automating workflow processes in just a few clicks. Today, we're exploring how Zapier ties everything together, creating a network of connected apps that work in harmony. Imagine a world where your daily chores are managed without lifting a finger, where every notification, update, and task is seamlessly handled. Zapier is a service that acts as the glue connecting more than 3,000 different apps. It allows you to create Zaps, which are automated workflows that connect your apps and services. These Zaps start with a trigger, a specific action in one app that causes a corresponding action in another. This way, you can link separate systems and automate tasks that usually consume much of your time. Let's delve into how Zapier achieves this. Suppose you're a small business owner. Often you find yourself bogged down by administrative tasks. By integrating Zapier into your processes, you could, for example, automate lead generation from your website forms. Whenever a new lead submits their details, Zapier can automatically upload this information into a Google Sheet and simultaneously notify you via Slack. This seamless integration ensures you are swiftly acting on opportunities while keeping communication channels open. The potential of Zapier doesn't stop there. Consider your social media strategy. By setting up appropriate Zaps, you can automatically share your latest blog post across various social media platforms without needing to log in to each account individually. This not only saves time but ensures consistent and timely updates, keeping your audience engaged and informed. Furthermore, Zapier can even streamline your internal systems. Perhaps you're looking to enhance team collaboration. Zapier can bridge different tools, such as Trello for project management, with your team communication app, like Microsoft Teams, ensuring that every time there is an update on a project, the team is promptly informed. This integration fosters an environment of transparency and alignment, essential for productive teamwork. What makes Zapier truly outstanding is its flexibility and ease of use. It doesn't require any programming knowledge, thus making automation accessible to everyone. The intuitive interface guides users through the process, enabling even the most technophobic among us to automate tasks with confidence. As we explore the possibility of automation, one might wonder about security. Zapier handles your workflow carefully, ensuring your data stays protected and secure throughout the process. With regular security audits and compliance with major data privacy regulations, Zapier promises peace of mind in all your automated endeavors. In conclusion, leveraging Zapier to automate your life can transform how you manage everyday tasks. By connecting the myriad of tools at our fingertips, it streamlines our workflow, freeing up valuable time to focus on what truly matters. Embrace this technological prowess. Automate your tasks and watch as Zapier links it all with simplicity and efficiency, revolutionizing the way you live and work with just a single click.